Welcome back to another episode of Wired for Precision, the podcast where we talk instrumentation, automation, and the digital evolution of industry. I'm your host, Phil, electronics engineer, instrumentation enthusiast, and someone passionate about everything that keeps systems smart, safe, and efficient. In today's episode, we're tackling a topic that's changing the game in industrial automation: smart sensors and the rise of IIoT, the Industrial Internet of Things. If you've ever wondered how plants are becoming smarter, or how data from remote assets are sent straight to dashboards in real time, this one's for you. First, let's define the difference. Traditional sensors do one job. They measure a variable: temperature, pressure, flow, level, and send that raw signal to a controller. Simple, reliable, and still widely used. But smart sensors, they don't just measure, they think. These devices come with built-in microprocessors, allowing them to perform self-diagnostics, compensate for drift, and communicate using digital protocols like HART, Foundation Field Bus, or even Ethernet or IP. They offer more accuracy, better reliability, and a key ingredient: data. Now combine these smart devices with the industrial Internet of Things, and we enter a new world. IIoT is the network of intelligent devices that collect, exchange, and act on data in real time without human intervention. Picture a refinery where thousands of field devices send data to the cloud, where AI analyzes performance trends, detects anomalies, and predicts failures before they happen. That's not future talk. That's happening right now. And with cloud dashboards, mobile apps, and secure remote access, engineers and managers can make data-driven decisions from anywhere in the world. A typical IIoT setup includes smart field devices, temperature, vibration, flow sensors, etc., gateways and edge devices to pre-process and transmit data, communication networks, wired or wireless, Modbus, TCP/IP, MQTT, OPC/UA, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure IoT, or private SCADA servers. Each layer adds value, from data collection and analysis to visualization and decision-making. Let's talk benefits: predictive maintenance, reduced downtime, enhanced safety monitoring, real-time quality control, improved energy efficiency. But of course, there are challenges too. Cybersecurity is a top concern. Interoperability between devices from different vendors, data overload if you don't have proper analytics, integration costs, and resistance to change. In oil and gas, IIoT helps monitor remote wellheads. In manufacturing, it ensures uptime of critical machinery. In utilities, it tracks real-time consumption and grid health. Smart sensors and IIoT are redefining what's possible in industrial instrumentation. They're not replacing engineers. They're empowering us to focus on what matters most: insight, safety, efficiency, and innovation. In our next episode, we'll zoom in on PID tuning and loop optimization, something every control engineer must master. If this episode sparked your curiosity, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's stay connected on LinkedIn or comment here with your feedback or suggestions. This is Phil, and as always, stay sharp, stay measured, and stay wired for precision.